UNB 101 students. My name is Kelly Brown and I am the coordinator of the UNB 101 course. I want to take just a brief moment to congratulate you on making it through the course, to say that I hope you've learned a lot about all that Miami Regionals has to offer, as well as lots of tips and tricks and techniques to be a successful college student. However, there is one thing above all else that I hope you have accomplished this semester. And that is, I hope that you have found at least one faculty member or one staff member who you feel you can contact if you have a question or a concern or a problem. It's really important to have that person that you can always reach out to. If you have not found that person yet, then I'd like to invite you to contact me so that I can become your person. My contact information is listed, and my favorite thing about my job is being able to connect with students and help them achieve their goals here at Miami Regionals. I hope you have a great break, and we hope to see you back at Miami Regionals next semester.